No, I like the audio.
Hit a button.
I'll come up and hit a button.
Hmm?
We are currently looking at the Harmonic Lux Diffractor.
Touch it. Touch it.
Oh my god. Oh, what? Who? It is creating some cool scatter lights in the back. These lights mean on, and that one means on as well. Only at Steampunk Bazaar 2000.